Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bose premium audio system, front and rear park assist, rain sensitive windshield wipers, automatic emergency braking, HD rear vision camera, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, two-way power driver lumbar control, dual climate control, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.